Yesterday I discussed three topics more about concentration, molarity, normality, molality. Today, mole fraction. Mole fraction. లాస్ట్ క్లాస్లో చెప్పాను వాట్ ఈజ్ మీన్ బై కాన్సన్ట్రేషన్ ఆఫ్ సొల్యూషన్ అంటే ద రిలేటివ్ అమౌంట్ ఆఫ్ ది సొల్యూట్ present in certain amount of the solution is called as a concentration. ఈ concentration expresses a methods చెప్పాను 4 methods: molarity, normality, molality, mole fraction. Already discussed molarity, normality, molality, and last one is mole fraction. It is denoted by the letter X. It is denoted by letter X. It is the ratio of number of moles of one component to the total number of moles of all components present in the mixer is called mole fraction of that component. Mole fraction of that component. Again I am telling what in by mole fraction means it is the ratio of number of moles of one component to the total number of moles of all component present in the mixer is called as a mole fraction of that component. ఇక్కడ మనం ఆల్రెడీ సొల్యూషన్ అంటే చెప్పున్నాను ఇన్ ఏ బైనరీ సొల్యూషన్ అప్పుడు సొల్యూట్ ప్లస్ సాల్వెంట్. సొల్యూట్ అంటే స్మాల్ అమౌంట్లో ఉండి డిజాల్వ్ అయ్యేదాన్ని సొల్యూట్ అంటాం. లార్జ్ అమౌంట్లో ఉండి డిజాల్వింగ్ చేసే కెపాసిటీని ఏమంటే సాల్వెంట్ అంటాం. ఇప్పుడు ఇక్కడ in a binary solution, in a binary solution, in a binary solution, mole fraction of solvent is equal number of moles of solvent number of moles of solvent by number of moles of solvent plus number of moles of సొల్యూట్. ఇక్కడ సొల్యూట్ సాల్వెంట్ అన్నప్పుడు సాల్వెంట్కి 1 అనే నెంబర్ ఇస్తాం, సొల్యూట్కి 2 అనే నెంబర్ ఇస్తాం. దాని ప్రకారం ఇక్కడ మోల్ ఫ్రాక్షన్ని ఏ లెటర్ డినోట్ చేస్తా అని చెప్పాను ఎక్స్. అందుకని x1 ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు n నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ మోల్స్ని n అనే లెటర్తో డినోట్ చేస్తాం. Number of moles of solvent n1 by number of moles of solvent n1, number of moles of solute n2. x1 is equal to n1 by n1 plus n2. This is called as a mole fraction of solvent. Again same, again I am telling one time what in by mole fraction means It is the ratio of number of moles of one component to the total number of moles of all component present in the mixture is called as a mole fraction of that component. In a binary solution, mole fraction of solvent is equal number of moles of solvent by number of moles of solvent plus number of moles of solute. That is x1 is equal to n1 by n1 plus n2. అదేవిధంగా మోల్ ఫ్రాక్షన్ ఆఫ్ సొల్యూట్, మోల్ ఫ్రాక్షన్ ఆఫ్ solute is equal number of moles of solute by number of moles of solvent plus number of moles of solute. That is x2 is equal to n2 by n1 plus n2. x2 is equal n2 by n1 plus n2. Therefore ఇప్పుడు మనం x1 అంటే మోల్ ఫ్రాక్షన్ ఆఫ్ సాల్వెంట్ is equal n1 by n1 plus n2. x2 అంటే మోల్ ఫ్రాక్షన్ ఆఫ్ సొల్యూట్ n2 by n1 plus n2. ఇప్పుడు మనం మోల్ ఫ్రాక్షన్ ఆఫ్ సాల్వెంట్ plus mole fraction of solute, that means x1 plus x2. x1 means n1 by n1 plus n2. x2 means n2 by n1 plus n2. అప్పటికి that is equal to n1 plus n2 by n1 plus n2 is equal to 1. That means x1 plus x2 is equal to 1. This is very, very important. Mole fraction of solvent plus mole fraction of solute is equal to 1. This is about mole fraction. It does not depends upon temperature. It has no units. These are the four methods to concentration of solution. First one is molarity, second one is normality, third one is molality, fourth one is mole fraction. I already told that molarity, normality, molality, that problems also done. నెక్స్ట్ ఇప్పుడు మనం ఈ మోల్ ఫ్రాక్షన్ ప్రాబ్లం ఇక్కడికి ఫైండ్ గుర్తుపెట్టుకోవాలి. x1 plus x2 is equal 1, where x1 is called as a mole fraction of solvent, x2 is called as a mole fraction of solute is equal to 1. 1 means solvent, 2 solute. n1 means number of moles of solvent, n2 means number of moles of solute. This is about mole fraction. It is denoted by letter x. It has no units. It does not depends upon temperature. Just one time I am telling four. First one, molarity. It is denoted by letter capital M. Molarity means the number of moles of the solute present in 1 liter of the solution is called as a molarity. Its units are moles per liter. It depends upon temperature. If temperature increases, molarity decreases. Next one, normality. The number of gram equivalents of the solute present in 1 liter of the solution is called as a normality. It is expressed in equivalents per liter. It is also depends upon temperature. If temperature increases, normality decreases. Next one, molality. It is the number of moles of the solute dissolved in 1 kg of the solvent is called as a molality. Its units are moles per kg. It does not depends upon temperature. Next one, mole fraction. Just now I told, it is the ratio of number of moles of one component to the total number of moles of all component present in the mixer is called as a mole fraction of that component. It has no units. It does not depends upon temperature. ఈ మొలారిటీ, నార్మాలిటీ, మొలాలిటీ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ అన్నీ కూడా చేస్తాం. నెక్స్ట్ ఇప్పుడు ఈ మోల్ ఫ్రాక్షన్ మీద ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ ఇస్తాం. ఈ మోల్ ఫ్రాక్షన్లో పాయింట్ చెప్పాను, x1 ప్లస్ x2 ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 1, వేర్ x1 ఈజ్ కాల్డ్ ఎస్ ఏ మోల్ ఫ్రాక్షన్ ఆఫ్ సాల్వెంట్, x2 ఈజ్ కాల్డ్ ఎస్ ఏ మోల్ ఫ్రాక్షన్ ఆఫ్ సొల్యూట్. x1 ప్లస్ x2 ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 1. ఇప్పుడు జస్ట్ మనం ఈ మోల్ ఫ్రాక్షన్ మీద ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ చెప్పిస్తే ఈ టాపిక్ మెథడ్స్ ఆఫ్ ఎక్స్ప్రెసింగ్ కాన్సన్ట్రేషన్ కంప్లీట్ అయిపోతుంది. ఫస్ట్ వన్, 3.65 grams ఆఫ్ హైడ్రోక్లోరిక్ యాసిడ్. 3.65 grams ఆఫ్ హైడ్రోక్లోరిక్ యాసిడ్ ఈజ్ dissolved in 16.2 grams of 16.2 grams of water. 16.2 grams of water. Find the mole fraction of mole fraction of HCl, H2O. 3.65 grams of HCl is dissolved in 16.2 grams of water. Find the mole fraction of HCl and water. ఫస్ట్ మోల్ ఫ్రాక్షన్ క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేయాలంటే ఫస్ట్ వీ మస్ట్ క్యాలిక్యులేట్ ద నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ మోల్స్. ఫస్ట్ మనం ఇక్కడ నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ మోల్స్ ఆఫ్ HCl, NHCl is equal weight of HCl by molecular weight of HCl. Weight of HCl 3.65. Molecular weight of HCl, hydrogen atomic weight is 1, chlorine 35.5 అంటే 36.5, that is 1/10, 1/10, you get 0.1 mole, 0.1 mole. Next, number of moles of water, WH2O by molecular weight of H2O. Weight of water 16.2 grams. Water molecular weight H2O, 2 hydrogens 2 plus oxygen 16, 18. 16.2 by 18, we get 0.9. 0.9. Therefore, total number of moles, that means NHCl plus NH2O, 0.1 plus 0.9, 0.1 plus 0.9, 1. 0.1 plus 0.9 is equal 1. We have calculated the first mole fraction of HCl. Here writing XHCl is equal NHCl by NHCl plus NH2O. NHCl 0.1, NHCl plus NH2O is equal to 1, that is 0.1. XHCl is equal 0.1. ఇప్పుడు XH2O క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేయాలి. XH2O అంటే NH2O by NH2HCl plus NH2O. 0.9 by 1, 0.9. ఇది one method. Another method XHCl plus X ఇక్కడ NHCl ఇక్కడ చూడండి. XH2O క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేయాలంటే XH2O plus XHCl is equal to 1. We must know XHCl. We have calculated XH2O. 1 minus XHCl. 1 minus 0.1. We get 0.9. This is the another method to calculate the amount. I told x1 plus x2 is equal to 1. But both x1 plus x2 add cheste 1 వస్తుందో చూడండి. This is the cross multiplication amount. Again see 3.65 grams of HCl is dissolved in 16.2 grams of water. Find the mole fraction of HCl and water. NHCl is equal weight of HCl by molecular weight of HCl. Weight of HCl we have given in problem. Molecular weight we must calculate. Hydrogen 1, chlorine 35.5, 36.5. 1 by 10 is equal 0.1. NH2O. Weight of H2O by molecular weight of H2O 16.2 by water molecular weight 2 plus 16 18 0.9. That means total number of moles NHCl plus NH2O is equal 1. First we must calculate the mole fraction of HCl, means number of moles of HCl by total number of moles of HCl, 0.1 by 1. Again mole fraction of water, number of moles of water by total number of moles, 0.9. Another method x1 plus x2 is equal to 1. x1 is equal to 1 minus x2. This is the problem, mole fraction. Next one, a solution contains 90 grams of water. 90 grams of water, comma 6.4 grams of methanol. Yesterday I told that ethanol ante ethyl alcohol antam, methanol ante methyl alcohol. Its formula is CH3OH, CH3OH, and 18.4 grams of glycerol. 18.4 grams of glycerol. Here glycerol formula is CH2OH, CHOH, CH2OH. 18.4 grams of glycerol. calculate the mole fraction of glycerol. Calculate the mole fraction of glycerol. Mole fraction of glycerol. First we must calculate the all three components of number of moles. First, number of moles of water is equal weight of water by molecular weight of water. Weight of water means 90 by molecular weight of water 18, we get 5. Number of moles of water is equal 5. Next, number of moles of methanol, weight of H. Weight of methyl alcohol by molecular weight of methyl alcohol. Weight of methyl alcohol 6.4 by molecular weight of methyl alcohol we must calculate. How many carbons? Here చూడండి, just now I told you a solution contains 90 grams of water, 6.4 grams of methanol and 18.4 grams of glycerol. Calculate the mole fraction of glycerol. First we must calculate the each component of number of moles. N weight, ikkada first number of moles of water is equal weight of water by molecular weight of water. 90 by 18, 5 moles. Number of moles of methyl alcohol. Weight of methyl alcohol is 6.4 grams. Methyl alcohol యొక్క molecular weight calculate చేసుకోవాలి. Carbon 12, 4 hydrogens, 12 plus 4 16, oxygen 16, అంటే 32. 6.4 by 32, that means we get 0.2. Next, N glycerol, number of moles of glycerol. This is weight of glycerol by molecular weight of glycerol. Weight of glycerol is, we have given 18.4 grams. Molecular weight have calculate how many number of carbon? 3 carbons, 3 12s 36. How many number of hydrogens? 3 to 5 8 plus 8. How many number of oxygen? 3 oxygen, 16 3s 48. Total 16 plus 6 22. 16 plus 6 22, 82. What is the molecular weight of glycerol is 82. Sorry. 4 7 92. 92, sorry. Glycerol molecular weight is 92. అప్పుడు 18.4 by 92. 18.4 by 92. We get 0.2. 0.2. Now we have calculate total number of moles. Total number of moles. First, N water plus N methyl alcohol plus N glycerol. N water plus N methyl alcohol plus N glycerol. water 5, methyl alcohol 0.2, glycerol 0.2, 5.4. Total number of moles is 5.4. Next we calculate the mole fraction of glycerol. Here this is the formula. Hexglycerol is equal N-glycerol by total number of moles. Total number of moles. N-glycerol is equal 0.2. Total number of glycerol is equal 5.4. N-hexglycerol is equal N-glycerol by total number of moles. N-glycerol is equal 0.2. Total number of moles is equal 5.4. We get 0.037. This is the answer. Calculate the this is the calculate again. Mole fraction of glycerol means X-glycerol is equal N-glycerol by total number of moles. X-glycerol is equal 0.2. Total number of moles is equal 5.4. We get 0.037. These are the formulas of problems of mole fraction. This is about total 3 days I told. Concentrations of solution topic is already just I am repeating. What in by concentration? The relative amount of the solute present in certain amount of the solution is called as a concentration. E concentration expresses a methods 4 చెప్పాను. Molarity, normality, molality, mole fraction. ఫస్ట్ క్లాస్లో మొలారిటీ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్, తర్వాత నార్మాలిటీ, నిన్న క్లాస్లో మొలాలిటీ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ చెప్పాను. ఈరోజు మోల్ ఫ్రాక్షన్ అనమాట. దిస్ ఈజ్ ద టాపిక్ కంప్లీటెడ్. వాట్ రిలేటెడ్ టు కాన్సన్ట్రేషన్స్ ఆఫ్ ఎక్స్ప్రెస్. వాట్ ఆర్ ద కాన్సన్ట్రేషన్స్ ఎక్స్ప్రెస్ టు మెథడ్స్ అంటే దీస్ ఆర్ 4-1. మొలారిటీ, నార్మాలిటీ, మొలాలిటీ, మోల్ ఫ్రాక్షన్. దిస్ ఈజ్ అబౌట్